If you were getting ready to start building your own personal project, but you're having just a little bit of trouble figuring out where it is that you need to get started, then this tip and video is definitely for you. So one system that I have used for many, many years, and I still continue to use this to this day, that I have found that has worked for me in building projects, goes a little something like this. When I'm building a project, the first thing I like to ask is, what problem am I trying to solve? Okay? What am I trying to automate? What am I trying to fix? What am I solving? And then once I've got that, the next thing that I do is I figure out what the individual requirements are for this application. And then after that, and this is my favorite part, now instead of jumping straight into a library or a framework and trying to go a million miles an hour, okay, slow down and build a prototype of it, all right? And when you build a prototype of it, and this can come in the form of anything, could come in the form of a command line application or even a, graphical user interface, if you're into that. You build the core logic for this. You establish the core logic for it. You see it work. And then once you get comfortable with that and you gain that momentum by having a working prototype, then you can take that existing logic and put that into your framework or library of choice. Because at that point, you've already figured out the core logic. Now you can add everything else. You can start building upon this and putting all the bells and whistles that you want on it. So that's my advice. Figure out what problem it is that you're trying to solve. Figure out the individual requirements. Build the prototype, and then implement that in your framework or library of choice. Hope that helps.